Hello beautiful people. Today I'm going to show you how to turn your old shirts into new. So yeah, for the first top, we're just going to take a basic top. It doesn't fit me how I want it to fit. So all I'm going to do is just tie a knot at the bottom. Pretty simple, old school. I know everybody used to do this when we were younger. So yeah, I just tied a knot and I turned into a very cute vintage looking top. The next top is very simple. All you're gonna need is a button-down shirt, and all you do is tie a knot in the middle. I do this style all the time. It's great. And yeah, make sure your button-down top look very cute and effortless. For the next shirt, it's just a plain v-neck tee. I got this from Walmart. I don't really wear shirts like this, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna transform it. So yeah, I'm just cutting off each side of the shirt and I'm leaving out a space in the middle. That's gonna be our tail. We're gonna tie the shirts in front of us. We're gonna cut off the middle. You gotta be very careful and make sure you cut off only the top part of the shirt. If you cut off the back, it's just gonna look very weird. So yeah, I'm cutting off the top piece of the shirt. I'm leaving the back, as you can see right here. And as you can see, I'm about to cut off the excess fabric. This is just in the back. So yeah, to get rid of that. And now you can see there's a tail left. I flipped the shirt around to cut the shirt down the middle. So yeah, and that's pretty much it. Make sure you have some good cutting scissors because mine were kind of trash. So yeah, and that's pretty much it on how you make the shirt. And for the last top, I'm just going to transform this really old vintage dress I don't really wear anymore. So yeah, it's basically the same way as you did the top. You just have way more excess fabric and all you do is just cut that off. But yeah, you still cut off the sides on where you want how short the shirt to go. And then you leave the space in the middle for the ties. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But y'all can enjoy me cutting. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you try this out, definitely mention me, let me know. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.